What are you waiting for?
A cuckoo bird.
Cuckoo bird?
Yeah.
Oh, cuckoo bird just opened. You have to wait 30 minutes.
2 minutes.
30 minutes. What does the cuckoo bird say?
Shall I farewell? Cuckoo bird. Shall I farewell? Or we say goodbye?
Uh-oh, you're gonna fall down.
Dee, dee, dee. She says a crocodile, a
Bowl two, and up in the nursery, Sir Little Bird is popping out to say, "张丢掉." Ellie Belly, say hi.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Papa. You miss Papa?
Where?
Huh?
Papa waiting.
Papa working? Did you talk to Papa before on the phone?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you tell him?
Mom's crocodile.
Can you show Papa your tong tong? What happened?
A potato or something. But
Oh.
the sun a bug yet.
Oh, fall down.
Yeah.
Oh, Ellie cry?
Yeah.
Why? Because of tong tong? I see. You're waiting for the cuckoo bird to come out? You have to wait a little bit longer.
Yeah. Cuckoo.
You're gonna fall down, Ellie. 做下里来的.